What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. We had a customer request on this Toyota Camry for a valve cover gasket, and then the PCV, or the valve cover breather hose, broke in his hands, and then I cut it back to see if I could repair it. And then let's see if you can see this. It's partially plugged, and if you see in the other video on the it's partially plugged in at least the spot that I cut it. If you see in the other video of the valve cover condition, you'll see that why this is because the engine's full of clunky, chunky, junky junk from him not changing their oil regularly. So I'm gonna replace this. Just so important on doing your oil changes early and actually having someone look at your car and look past their nose when they're working on it too. That's definitely clogged up.